Many times my feet had slipped. I was sinking deep, finding shelter in different places. Many times my flesh had failed and my heart cried.
Psalms 133, kung meron kayong Bible or mabuksan nyo sa application ng cellphone ninyo. This is from NKJV. Sobrang iksi lang nito, like 3 verses. So, chapter 133. This is a song of David. Verse 1, Behold, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. It is like the precious oil upon the head, running down on the bird of Aaron, running down on the edge of his garments. It is like the dew of Hermon, descending upon the mountains of Zion, for there the Lord commanded the blessings, life forevermore. So, itong sa Salmo ni David, ginawa niya ditong example si Aaron, no? Bakit si Aaron? Si Aaron kasi siya yung priest by that time, doon sa time nila Moses. And yung they're using oil, no, para i-bless yung mga priest. And in tong time na to, ito yung time na nagkaroon ng unity ang mga Israelites. And because of their unity, they receive a lot of blessings. Nakita nyo naman yung journey ng mga Israelites from Egypt hanggang sa paglabas nila, pagtuwid ng Red Sea, no? Grabe yung unity na naramdaman yung unity and trust ng bawat isa. And because of that unity, nagkaroon sila ng a lot of blessings. Hindi sila pinabayaan ni Lord. Kung maihahantulad ko din sa buhay natin, parang yung katulad sa katawan, di ba? Pag gumagalaw tayo, no, we move in motion, unity in motion. So pag gumalaw ka ng kaliwa, yung katawan mo lahat, they all follow. So pag merong isa na merong parte ng katawan mo na hindi okay or hindi nagfa-function ng maayos, wala siyang unity. No? So hindi ka makagalaw. Hindi ka productive. So parang sa church natin, pag walang unity, hindi siya mag-grow.
At the feet of Jesus, at the feet of Jesus, the feet of Jesus I am.